Why people need to treating each other with understanding that they are one of us. Go. One, go. People need to treat each other with understanding because it reminds us that we all share the same human experiences. We feel joy, pain, and struggles. When we see others as one of us, it builds empathy, respect, and unity instead of division. This way of thinking strengthens relationships, reduces conflicts, and creates more compassionate community where everyone feels valued.
Why people need to understand each other's inner selves or through feelings with humility. Because doing so help create an atmosphere of respect, openness, and compassion where people feel safe to express themselves honestly, free from judgment or pride.
Why people shows feelings for another trying to understand someone else's situation by putting themselves self in their shoes. People shows feelings for others and trying to understand their situation by putting themselves in other shoes because of the concept called empathy. Empathy is the ability to imagine and share the feelings of other persons. It's like we're making a mile in someone else's flip-flops. People who are driving by a deep sense of obligation to care for and help others without expecting anything in return are often guided by values, empathy, and inner fulfillment rather than external rewards. Example, moral or spiritual belief. Many cultures or faith teach that helping others is a duty, a virtual, or even a form of service to God or humanity. Some people's annoyance or conflict is diffused because they often struggle to express their true emotion openly, either out of fear of confrontation, desire to maintain peace, or lack of confidence in communicating their feelings. And as a result,